Hey everyone, this is Aniwa Mihangos with Sivana Solar. This is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to be explaining to you who we are. Who is Sivana Solar? What do we do? Why are we here? So Sivana Solar started out late last year, December 2018. And the main focus as to why Sivana Solar was started was because we wanted to bring education to homeowners. We wanted to bring new information, the best education about all the benefits of solar. Now we've noticed over time that there's a lot of skepticism, there's a lot of misinformation, a lot of misconception when it comes to solar, and I actually made a video about that in one of our Facebook Lives in the past. So if you want to go ahead and check that out real quick. Definitely it's a lot of great information. But when it comes down to all this misinformation, all this misconceptions about solar, it has created a lot of skepticism. And whenever we approach somebody and we try to inform them about all the benefits that comes with solar, because really we have to understand there is a big problem. There's a problem with the utility companies, the way that we currently consume energy, and solar is a fantastic solution. Now when we approach somebody to speak to them about these benefits of solar, we have found that there's a lot of barriers, the skepticism, there's a lot of misinformation that people put up when we try to talk to them. And then we have to go ahead and make sure that we provide them with the best information. Because of course we see solar as a fantastic solution to the problem that is rampant all over the place. And in order to make the best decision for the homeowner, they need to be well informed and well educated. So that is definitely one of our goals and one of our missions when it comes down to being a solar company. That's one of the reasons why I get in front of this camera speaking to all of you, because I want to make sure I inform you guys. I want to make sure that you're well informed and well educated when it comes down to solar, and specifically the way you consume electricity. Because when we really look at the big picture, electricity has now become a basic necessity. Oftentimes people say they don't want to make the switch over to solar because they don't want a new payment, they don't want a new plan. But in reality, when you really take a look at it, when are you going to stop paying for electricity? And the answer is most likely never. Electricity has become a basic necessity, and now solar is a fantastic way on how to continue that necessity, but at a much cost-efficient way. There's the word. At a much cost-efficient way, and of course helping the environment, helping the global health problems with cancer, respiratory problems, asthma. You can play a role in bettering the environment, bettering the atmosphere, creating a lot of benefit for the community by going solar. One of the other reasons as to why Sivana Solar was created is because we wanted to provide a better alternative and better education when it comes to making the switch to solar. Clean renewable energy is fantastic. We've talked about this over and over again. But when it comes down to actually the process of making that switch, there needs to be a lot of information. There needs to be a lot of, make sure that there's a lot of procedures taking place. And the reason for that is because in the past, other solar companies have created a lot of fear and doubt when it comes down to solar because of these programs that put liens on their properties. Now here at Sivana Solar, we don't touch those. Whenever we talk to a homeowner and they already come to us with these misconceptions that solar will always put a lien on the property, we always make sure that we essentially destroy that misconception, because definitely we do not touch that. We don't touch liens. Those programs are not the programs that we want to offer the homeowners, because here at Sivana Solar, we mainly focus on what is most beneficial to the homeowner. And we honestly believe that going with these programs that put liens on the property taxes is not the best way to go. So we definitely never touch those. The two main programs that we go ahead and run are PPA, Power Purchase Agreement, and of course purchasing the solar system. In the long term, purchasing the system is going to be the most beneficial to the homeowner. But of course, the PPA, the Power Purchase Agreement, is extremely beneficial. It has a lot of benefits, and it's something that homeowners love. So definitely, if you are interested in hearing more information as to how we go ahead and educate people, if you're interested in making the switch to clean and renewable energy, and if you want to make the switch to solar energy, feel free to reach out to us. We are always here to talk to people. We're always here to inform. And remember, all you're doing at the end of the day is getting information. If you want to make the switch to solar, we are here to help you. But if you decide to say no, you don't want to make the switch to solar, the worst thing that can happen is that you're more informed and more educated, so that later on down the line, you can make a better decision when it comes to the way you consume electricity. So definitely, I hope you enjoy this video. There's some quick information and some quick explanation as to why we started, what we do, and how we do it. Again, if you are interested in making the switch to solar, go ahead and leave us a comment or send us a message. We are here to help. If you have any questions about the power purchase agreement, about purchasing your solar system, or about anything when it comes to solar, leave us a comment. We are here to help, and we'll go ahead and answer any questions that you may have. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. I'll go ahead and make some more Facebook Lives later on down the line because, of course, we're here to educate. Have a great day, everyone, and I hope to see you soon.